Alright, you ready?
Mama Beetle.
Okay, ready? The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Could you try not to burp while you sing? Alright, are you going to sing now? Is this a burping contest or a singing contest?
Baking.
Which song do you want to sing?
I know.
What song do you want to sing?
Itsy spider.
Okay, ready? The
Itsy
bitsy
spider went up beside again. Then kicked the rain, but the daddy out. Then the daddy out. I kicked his nail. Who's that? That's
You want to sing another song?
with
Do you want to
the
do your ooh-ah,
with
ooh?
the email.
Do your ooh-ah, ooh-ah.
No.
Oh. You want to sing your ABCs?
No.
What do you want to sing?
A B C.
Okay, do it then.
A B C D E F G. I want for sleeping. I see ya. Come on. If Father let us out again. A B C D. A B C D E F G H I J K L M P U R S T U V W. Eighty-five. 85 to and up by side again. A B C D A B C D E F G H I K K L M P U R S T V X Y Z. Why a bubble?
Can you sing your 10 Little Indians?
A B C D
I thought you were going to sing it Indians.
A B C D.
Where do you say it? Ooh-ah,
Shitera. Ooh, shitera. Ooh, shitera. Ooh. Bigger. Vicky, I see you. Where's the nose? Where nose?
Outside.
The I'm but Vicky.
Don't bite the blankie. Say, hi, Grandma. Nope, take it out. Say, hi, Grandma.
Hi, Grandma.
Say, I love you.
I love you.
Say, I love you.
Mommy, happy, mommy, happy to you.
Well, that's silly with the blanket in your mouth. Tell Grandma, where's Pap Pap? Where's Pap Pap?
We go.
Where'd he go?
Happy.
Is he up there? Are you chewing on your blanket? Say bye. Say bye, Grandma.
Bye, Mama.
Say bye, Grandpa.
Thank you, Pa.
I love you.
I love you.
Adieu, sis.
I kisses.
Say,
Potato.